Now here's one with a lot of confusing information on the internet. I've just landed at Terminal 4 at LAX and I need to catch a connecting flight out of Terminal 5, Gate 52. How do I get to Gate 52? Or better yet, what's the easiest way to get to Gate 52? Now this really applies to American Airlines. Here we are at Terminal 4. We just landed. It's Gate 46. As soon as you exit the gate, you will see signs directing you to different terminals. The Tom Bradley International Terminal or the Terminal 5. But you can see at the top there, it clearly states transfer to gates 52A to 52J. That's what you want to follow. And when you follow that, you will essentially end up in this rotunda, and on the right are escalators that go down, as you can see panning down right now. In fact, these are the escalators. You want to take these escalators and head down. Now, there are two ways to do this. You can actually, once you're down there, walk directly to Terminal 5, or catch the shuttle. Now first, they actually have a shuttle directly from Terminal 4. As you can see here, it takes you to gates 52A to 52J. This is the simplest way to get to Terminal 5, gates 52. However, if the shuttle isn't running, if you go down the next set of escalators, you can catch a tunnel or walk a tunnel between Terminal 4 and Terminal 5. That will put you out in Terminal 5 main building, and then from there, you have to catch a shuttle that takes you from Terminal 5 to gates 52A to 52J. But it's really simple. You don't need to exit the terminal. You don't need to go through security again. As long as you follow this, you'll be okay.